Hi.
Hey.
We're gonna have a talk session.
About fuzzy handcuffs.
Fuzzy handcuffs.
Well, you might think that you use them for
Guys and girls. Well, not today, folks. See here, we have black fuzzy handcuffs, right?
black fuzzy handcuffs.
And well, Kelsey, you've been a naughty girl. I gotta lock you up, honey.
Just gotta lock me up.
Don't let me go.
You're not gonna cuff me my bed.
Alright, so she's locked up to the bed now. How does it make you feel?
Kinky.
Does it make you feel seductive?
Oh, it makes me feel like an animal. I think I should stop this now.
Alright, I'll unhook her now. I think she's been good enough.
That's wonderful.
Hey. No, bitch. Alright.